Yeah, I found this line tracking kit that you can put together on AliExpress. It was $3 and some odd cents. It was less than $4. You got all the parts. And some of the parts, like the battery box, are complete crap. Have to hold together with some cable ties. But the instructions, of course, are non-existent. But getting off a lot of stuff for under $4, and all of the electronics, the LEDs, the motors, the gears, all that good stuff. Let me take a peek at this here. So you can see you got a dual comparator there. Got two drive transistors that run the motors, which are geared to the wheels underneath. You've got red LEDs as the light source, and then photoresistors, I'm sorry, to sense the black line. The black line's the same width as black electrical tape. So as an experiment, I actually tried just taking black electrical tape and putting it on the floor, and you can make any path you want and it'll follow the black electrical tape around it. This is the back side of the so-called instructions. I did take and put these into the translator online, and there wasn't really any helpful information there. The schematic was quite helpful though, showing what's going on. Got the dual comparator sensing the photoresistors. The two drive transistors are both PNPs. It's a emitter switch type thing, because the dual comparator circuit can only drive current low. It doesn't drive high, and they need the high drive to run their motors and to boost the current for the motors. A couple of LEDs showing when the motors are on. There's actually only ever one motor on at a time. That's why you saw it constantly moving back and forth as it was tracking the lines.